Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hi minasan, konnichiwa, Aaron Sensei desu. So sa video naman natin ngayon, yung pag-usapan naman natin ay about kay particle de. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, yung unang gamit yung particle de. Particle de to indicate the place at which an action or event takes place. Okay, so ito yung unang na-discuss natin sa mga nakaraan nating video. Kung saan ginagawa yung isang bagay. Okay, for example, Toshokan de benkyou shimashita. Diba? I studied at the library. Okay? Particle de. So, yung gagawin yung isang bagay, okay? Place de, yun siya. Hi. Okay, next. Next na gamit yung particle de. Yan yung una. Pangalawang gamit niya. Hi. The particle can also be used to indicate means, okay? Method or instrument. It translates into by, with, in, and by means of. Jitensha de. Gakko ni ikimasu. Okay, so okay, means of transportation. Di ba? I go to school by bike. So, yan yung gamit na isa ni particle de. Okay. Yung isa, pwede din si method. Di ba? Nihongo de hanashite kudasai. Please speak in Japanese. Okay? Any language, pwede nyo gamitan ng de. Tapos, hanashite kudasai. As a method. Di ba? Hi. Pangatlo. Okay? When the particle de is placed after a quantity, time, or amount of money, it indicates a total or an extent. Example ito, zenbu de gosen yen desu. Zenbu de gosen yen desu. Gamitin natin ang particle de. It costs 5,000 yen in total. In total. Next tayo. Okay, the particle de can be used to indicate time spent for something. It translates into in or within. Ichijikan de dekimasu. I can do it in 1 hour. Okay, isa pa. The particle de can be used to indicate cost. It translates to for, at, etc. Kono hono goyaku en de kaimashita. Kono hono goyaku en de kaimashita. So I bought this book for 500. For 500. To indicate cost. Binili ko ang libro na to sa halagang 500 yen. Okay? Hi. Next naman na meaning. The particle de can be used like in, within, or among to indicate scope. Kuraso de, Yumi-san ga ichiban saigatakay desu. Yumi is the tallest in the class. Okay? Next. Diba? The particle de can be used to tell what something is made of. Okay? Kung saan siya gawa. Okay? So, made of saan siya gawa. For example, kunotsukue wa kide dekite imasu. So, gawa yung table na to, yung desk na to, sa wood or sa kahoy. And lastly, the particle de can indicate a casual reason or motive for an action or occurrence. It translates to due to, because of, and owing to. Okay? So, pwede din siya gamitin sa dahil may nangyari. For example, kaze de gakko wo yasunda or yasumimashita. Okay? So, due to, pwede din gamitin yung particle de. Yan. I was absent from school due to a cold. Okay? So, yan. Yan yung mga gamit ng mga particle de. Particle de, marami siyang gamit. Kung may mga additional kayong informations na hindi ko pa na-discuss dito, gamit ng particle de, please just comment down below, okay? And I think that ends our video. Hanggang sa susunod na video, okay? Hi! Ito, Nihongo na Benkyou wo Gambarimashou.